Give London a Lift is our fantastic scheme to support community groups and charities in London. We've got £10,000 to give away in-store credit. Each month we choose 2 worthy winners to receive £1,000 to spend in store. One of the lucky winners is the South London Refugee Association, which do fantastic work with people in need when they arrive in the UK. They are using the money to buy paint and decorating materials to spruce up their centre.
South London Refugee Association is a voluntary organisation based in southwest London. We work with asylum seekers, with refugees and other migrants who are in crisis, providing advice, therapeutic support, opportunities to learn English. And we work with people of all different ages, most of whom have very recently arrived in the UK.
The food bank has now become quite integral to the service we offer here at South London Refugee Association. We offer amazing, excellent quality food to our clients, just ensuring that they don't go hungry.
We're so excited about spending the money that we'll be getting from Leyland SDM. The community centre that we use here, it's been around for a long time, it's busy, it has lots of people coming and going, so it has quite a lot of wear and tear. This money from Leyland SDM will allow us to decorate, to fix all the bits that need fixing and make it a really welcoming and pleasant place to be for so many people.
I'm quite excited because of the funds we got from Leyland SDM that we're going to be able to access some shelves, extra storage space.
We have already started painting. It's a big building, so paint will be the major part of what we get from Leyland SDM, but we need some plumbing bits to fix the bathrooms here, door handles, bits and pieces, things like that have been needed for a long time and have kind of always been at the bottom of the list when we do have a bit of spare cash, so it's fantastic for us and for the centre.
It's really amazing to support great groups like this in London.